Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new lesson. Walls tell stories. How the walls will be telling the stories? We are going to see in this lesson. Here, many friends are there. What are their names means? Sailaja, Sridhar, Didi, Kalyani. These members are reaching Kolkanda. In Kolkanda, they are reaching this place. See this fort, how it is looking. It is looking very, very nice, no? Where it is present means it is present in Hyderabad. Okay. At last they have reached the Kolkanda, and here these peoples are very, very happy to see this. And Didi is saying her story of this, and we enjoy visiting different places with them. Like that she is saying. First we will see about what Sailaja is saying. Sailaja is saying, my goodness, this fort is so huge. If we also going and seeing a different place means how we will be wondered, wow, very nice, like that we will be saying. No, same wise Sailaja also say. For that, Sridhar replying that, and see at what height it is built. How much height is this? Look after. Very, very so height. It was built with so much of height. Kalyani now saying, just look, have you ever seen a huge gate? Here, big gate is present. And she's saying that many people need for closing and opening this gate itself, like that Shailaja is saying. Now Kalyani is saying, look at the sharp iron. It says like something. I wonder how they have made this one. Look at this thick walls. I have never seen such thick walls. At some places, a part of wall comes out in a round shape. How it is coming like that? See, in some place it is looking like a round shape, and different type of shapes are present here. Didi is saying that these are called basitons. You know what is mean by basiton? Wait, I will show you that picture. This is called basiton. That is a small hole like present. No, that is only we call it as basiton. Outer wall of this fort, how many basitons are present means 87 basitons are present, and walls are very, very thick, very big gate, and so many basitons are present, and there is so many ways also here, and we can enter through many ways. Why these basitons are made in the fort wall? The questions arise in your mind, no? And different type of questions arising in our mind. See the next question. Why were here big holes also made here? See here, big holes also made here. Why they are doing like this? Like this type of questions are arising in this people's mind. Next one. What difference would be there if you were to look from a straight flat wall or a bastion at a height? How would the soldiers find beeping from the holes in the bastion useful while attacking? Like this, different types of questions are arising in our mind and in their mind also. It may arise in your mind also, students. You can write your own thought why they were built like that. Okay. Next, what did we find inside the fort? Sailaja is saying, I wonder how old this fort would be. Do you think the king built the fort so that he could live here? She is saying that how old this fort, how many years ago they were built? I think so it is built for the kings to live. Kalyani is saying it was written outside that Qutub Shahi Sultans ruled here one after another. That is in the year 1518 to 1687 they were ruling. So their names as written here like that Kalyani saying. Didi is saying much before that itself in 1200, this fort was made of mud and different rulers are lived here. Not only Qutub Shahi Sultan, before that itself many peoples, that is many rulers have lived here like that Didi Sheikh. Sailja, oh look, this broad has a map of the fort also is given here. Sridhar, this map shows so many gardens, fields, and factories. See, there are many palaces also inside the fort present. Sailaja is saying that means that not only the Sultan but many other people like farmers and workers must also be living here. Kalyani at the last saying it must have been a complete town, so only this was built like that she's saying. Sultan's palace. She is saying these steps to go on, its steps is going on. It's a very big step like that Sridhar is saying. Silage is saying even in those days they used to have buildings with the two floors. We are thinking that now only we are having two floors, four floors, but how many years ago itself they are having two-floor building. Kalyani. Now the building is in ruins. Ruins means it has been destroyed, but one can imagine that earlier there were many big halls and rooms here. We are thinking that now only we are having big rooms, big halls, and many type of rooms like kitchen room, dining hall, but during those days itself many big rooms and halls were present. Sridhar is saying, look at this beautiful carving on the walls. What does mean by carving? Carving means it's a shaping. How different shapes have been done. It is so fine, no? Yes, Kalyani. We also saw something like a fountain on one of the roof. Yes, there were many big tanks and fountain here. They used to be full of water. See the fountain. See how it is. Even now also many people are building, and we are thinking how that water is going in the up and it is looking very nice. How this happens like that they are all thinking. You can think that how would the fountains have worked, how is the fountain is working and how the water is coming from that, what arrangements would have been made in the building for air and light, how air comes inside, light, that is sunlight comes inside. Look carefully at the picture of the beautiful carving on the wall. See this. How for beautiful during those days itself. What kind of tools would have been used for such fine carving? We still do not have any electricity at many places in our country. Even at places which do have electricity, imagine what would happen if there was no electricity for 1 week. What are the things that would be difficult to manage without it? Is it no? Can we live even if there is no current, that is electricity for 1 hour? How we are feeling? We are feeling very tired, and there is no fan means we are feeling bored. So how at those days peoples were living without electricity? Even now also in many places there is no electricity at all. We doesn't know that. Okay, students, related to this lesson, you will get a Google Form test. Just attend well. All the best students will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.